Okay, so this is the GoPro footage from the Franz Josef quad biking experience. I definitely recommend doing this. It is an amazing experience. I loved every bit of it, especially these mud puddles. These were my favourite. It was pretty hard to navigate over the rocks, and they gave me the jumpiest quad bike apparently, especially with the acceleration. I found that out very quickly. And every time you go over some big rocks, I always felt like I was going to fling out. Like, it was kind of ridiculous, but I got used to it in the end. Like these big rocks, I got used to it in the end though. So, but I really enjoyed myself. So they get to take photos of you going through these mud puddles and try and get the scenery in the back. Unfortunately, it was a bit cloudy that day, so I wasn't able to. But yeah.
Flashing red? Yeah, yeah,
So here you're just basically going around, getting used to the terrain, going up and down hills, going in the rivers, as you see here, and fucking flooring it. So I think we did this for about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours in total. Very rocky terrain, so if you're not used to it, just, you know, take your time, and if you're at the end of the group, you're at the end of the group. It doesn't matter. Just enjoy the experience and take in the scenery, and go through those damn rivers like the guides do. Just don't lose control like I did. Alright, I'm going to shut up until further notice.
We're going way down, you go through a few nice places, and then we got position and stuff, go for it. Preferably, if you put it on, a lot of people say that, like, do your own thing when you get naked for some reason, but put it on.
I'll get your photo shoot here, how about that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're already at it, I love it. Let me get all the mountains in the background.
Woo!
Give me one, this is for me, but like a meat-based one, like
I can try.
I've been collecting these all over the world. That's what I'm talking about. You want to stand up on the back of the bike?
How the fuck do I do?
You don't have to, but you're wearing a helmet.
How the hell?
Yeah, it's plenty stable. See, super stable, right?
Okay. Don't. I'm very uncoordinated. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Now getting back in.
You want to take your glasses off so you see your face, or your face?
I'm a bit subconscious.
Get ready for your close-up.
Thank you.
All right.
Not cold. You probably had like a few
Oh, that's cool. I would swim in that.
You're swimming.
I would go swim in that.
I think that must be why people get naked.
Yeah.
Maybe people want to go for a swim, that's why they take their clothes off.
Yeah.
You ruin all their fun.
We were on time limit here. I mean, if you want to, just say the word. That was
tour.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was fucking great. No, no, that was fucking great.
Yeah, buddy. That was a bit more of a tour than most get.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hope you like it.